खुलुमबाय ख्या ताखोक ते बुखोक संगनो तैलाम शोगो आनी चैनेलो जों तिनी केताल जब नोटिफिकेशन ती नालायनाय अबंखा परम इंजीनियरिंग एंड रिसर्च ओपीसी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड नि इंगै ताई चेंगरो तामो सुजाक तंग जों नालायनाय invites applications for various posts against for office ni bagai like sites, finance and accounting, tai marketing post ni bagai for its Agartala office ni bagai. The company operates with its base office at Agartala in the field of infrastructure and engineering, design and application with innovative technologies in Tripura and Northeast India. Tai tam sejak tong nadi candidates must apply via email within 20 July 2021 in Bisingo. Tai along with CV and compulsory 1 to 2 minutes audio visual MP4 file introducing himself herself, highlighting their special qualities and interests in respective fields of works. Norok o job ni bagi apply khana mo chonga angke nongni CV tai logi 1 to theke 2 minutes jora norok ni nongni mobile bai video khaidi video khai nongni introduce khaidi je norok ni mung tamo nongni para boro norok boroni borotong tai norok bo field ti norok porijak tai nongni interest tamo nongni qualities tam tamo tong norok jotono a video norok mention khaidi 1 to 2 minutes in bishingo a video sanamai norok o email address hodi email address ka pearlposting@gmail.com ang spelling khainai pearlposting@gmail.com o email address o nongni CV khai mamon logi nongni je video bo hodi 20 July 2021 ni bisingo tayo jaga post imbomong rjak tongo puilang kanadi managing executive site haike office ni bagai obon bagai qualification nangnai BA BCom BSc tai experience MS Office tai civil engineering site activities okhonita jika second post ni momongka managing executive marketing obonibo qualification nangnai BA BCom BSc BBA MBA tai experience MS Office ni tai third post ni momongka managing executive finance and accounts in bagai qualification nangnai BA BCom BSc MBA tai experience in accounts taxation haike tally ERP9 and above tai MS Office next post ni momongka engineer ni bagai qualification nangnai Bachelor of Engineering haike MTech in Civil Engineering ni tai knowledge tono nangnai experience in design and cost estimate of building roads and bridge cost estimates soil and material testing state pro CAD SAF tai TAFES MS Office tai engineer research ni bagai post tongo oboni qualification nangna diploma BE MTech in civil engineering tai experience tono nangnai design of building roads and bridge tai sing haino same aboni porenka surveyor post ni bomo qualification nangnai ITI pass in surveying diploma in survey experience tono nangnai DGPS drone survey total station auto plotter GIS CAT land road and bridge survey and mapping ni bagai last post ni bomongka draftsman ni bagai qualification nangnai ITI haike diploma in draftsmanship haike civil engineering haike architecture experience in CAD Revit GIS building roads and bridge drawing etc ni bagai same no o jaga jotono je taising saka phasingo jeng pori phelemani tai o jaga sijak tongo borok jefur nongni video khayo norok introduce khaimano like language engkha bengali bifano haike kok borok Hindi tai English language as comfortable je norokni engmani tai borok sikha je nongni jefur nong CV ro CV ni joto page on jate nongni self attested khainen bagai tai mention khaidi norni je busuk norok salary expected above mention khaidin chabo tai nongni je mention kaisa masa bomong reference reading chabo tai minimum of period engagement tongrabo 6 month ni bagai tai after 6 month completion mani pore norno salary bar janai 1.5 haika 3 times based on candidates noni performance nai abani pore tam sigaborok the selected candidates after second stage as would be called for the interview will have to register with a processing fees 100 rupees maranai at the interview premise by cash haikenrok online transfer kemano boni company wa tai o jaga sijak tong na fresher technical post ni bagai will be treated as internship haike borok romnai for 6 months and will be paid 3000 haike 5000 per month up to 6 months ni bagai after which continuation may be granted again suitable post depending on their performance in company parameters nongni performance etei borokni nongni salary haike bongni je continuation khanyani bagai borok decision nanai asungno job ni bagai je to tai kuno kore belekana hambai takokte bukok song asuk jorati norok ani logi binai tom bagai khulumbai kya